welcome back to my channel. My name is Noelia for those of you who are new here. So for today's video, I want to share with you my tips and tricks on how to take care of your curls. So this is perfect if you're transitioning or if you already have your curls the way that you want them, they're perfect. Now, how do we maintain it? Now, before I begin, I just want to say that I am not an expert. These are just the things that has helped me throughout the years maintain my curls. First thing that I want to tell you, it's very simple and it's something that we should all be doing, whether you have curly, straight hair, whatever. Hydrate. Drink enough water. You are what you eat, right? So be careful how much fatty foods you're eating, because all of this is going to affect our hair. Yes, it is. Everything that you eat, anything that you're putting inside of your body is going to affect your hair, your skin, your energy, literally everything. Water is one of the things that we need to make sure that we're doing. Hydrate your body, hydrate your skin, hydrate your hair. It's very, very, very important. Along with hydrating, it's very important that we take our multivitamins, because that's really, really going to help us not only grow our hair, but also our nails, and it's going to be really, really good for our skin. Make sure that you're using the right products. Make sure that you're using the right shampoo, nourishing your hair with the right conditioner. In curly hair, it all differs. My hair tends to be more on the drier side. Some people, their hair tends to be more on the oily side. So listen to your hair. Me, my hair needs moisture and protein. It's very, very dry and it absorbs moisture a lot. So I need something that's gonna lock in that moisture, which is why I love a cream and a gel combination, because that gel is gonna lock in some of that moisture. Look for products that have natural essential oils like avocado, jojoba, sunflower, aloe. You need to find the products that are going to be nourishing your hair, that are going to be good for your hair in the long run, because we're going to be using all of these products a lot. Like, the key to the perfect curls is to find the right products and find the right balance. If your hair is naturally oily, you should always clarify at least once or every 2 weeks, because we're adding, it depends obviously on your hair type and what your hair needs, but typically, we add conditioners that's going to add oil, and your hair is naturally oily, so the longer you leave your hair natural, the more oily it's gonna be. So make sure that we're kind of cleansing our roots properly, making sure that we're cleansing our entire hair properly, and by that we need a really, really good clarifying shampoo. I love to do an apple cider vinegar cleansing, because it's really gonna clean and remove any of the product buildup that we have. And I am a part of a lot of like Curly Girl Method groups on Facebook, and I personally don't follow the Curly Girl Method because I like to find the products that work for my hair, and that's just too many rules to follow, and they necessarily don't work for everybody. Like, they just don't. These are just rules that people put in place, but rules are meant to be broken, right? So I always tell anybody that asks me, what products do you recommend? I always recommend on my channel to try the samples first. Samples are there for a reason. See if your hair really likes that product, and if it doesn't, you can move on. I'm constantly trying to find new products, because I like to be informed, and maybe something works for me now, but I can find something that's better. I straighten my hair a few times out of the year. Not every day like I used to. I try to be very conscious of how many times a year I'm straightening my hair, how I'm washing my hair. Am I washing my hair with hot water? Am I drying my hair with hot air? These things are very important, because heat, eventually it is going to cause some damage. Make sure that you are being moderate with the heat. If I'm going to straighten my hair, I'm going to wash my hair with cool water, as cold as possible. Like, I know that sounds terrible, but as cold as you can handle it, because essentially it's better for your hair. Make sure that I take care of my hair properly before and after I straighten it. Choosing the right brush and comb. I find that it's best to brush my hair in the shower while it's wet and while I have product in it. You can also use your fingers to just kind of rake through your curls. Now, this might seem weird, but taking care of your hair while you sleep I don't know about you guys, but I move a lot when I sleep. So the more that I move, the more friction my hair is gonna be with my pillows. But I have a really nice silk bonnet that I kind of just put my hair up in a pineapple, put my little bonnet, and call it a day, and I'm good to go to sleep. With all the movement that you're doing, it's gonna cause your hair to break and get damaged, and you don't want that. I think what also really helps me personally is trimming my hair every 3 to 4 months. This is something that I've always done, and your hair tends to grow a lot longer. It doesn't look like it right now because the shrinkage is real. My hair is pretty long, and I cut it recently. If you haven't seen my other video, I did that by myself. I probably should get a professional haircut soon. But yeah, like if you cut your hair more often, it's gonna grow faster, therefore being healthier, and you're getting rid of all of those dead ends causing your hair to be weighed down. And yeah, when drying your hair, it's very important that you use a microfiber towel or a cotton t-shirt, because again, it's all about breakage and damaging to your ends and to your hair in general. You don't want your hair to be breaking or falling apart or falling into pieces. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye. What am I saying? I don't know.